Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm excited to share with you my last alternative card using the November 2022 paper pumpkin kit called From the North Pole. This fun kit created 12 Christmas tags. Every month, my paper pumpkin subscribers receive an exclusive card kit designed by me using the stamp set from that month's paper pumpkin kit. This is the card they will be creating as an extra thank you for being my paper pumpkin customer. If you would like to also receive this special perk, sign up today and select me as your demonstrator using the link in the description box below. Today's card has a different look than all the other alternative cards I have made with this kit. I wanted something bright and cheery and chose light colors to pair with Cherry Cobbler ink. If you are new to my channel and want to see more of my videos, click on the subscribe button in the bottom right corner. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and help you with any of your paper crafting needs. To purchase any of the products you have seen me use today, please visit my online store, and the link is below in the description. Let's begin with our stamping. I've got a card base of thick, basic white cardstock. And I'm just going to go ahead and fold that in half, and we're going to stamp directly onto the front of that cardstock. We're going to begin with the candy canes. So you're going to use Cherry Cobbler, and this is the same color ink that came in your kit. So you're going to ink up your candy cane and just start stamping it randomly all over your card base. And you want to give some space so that you can also stamp some lighter candy canes in and around as well. So to get the lighter candy cane, you're going to stamp a full candy cane, and then you can stamp again, and it's going to give you a lighter version. So we want both dark and light candy canes to give us that pink color that coordinates nicely. So if you stamp 100% on to your cardstock, then you can do a second stamp with that candy cane. But if you stamp off slightly, then you need to make sure that you don't use that particular one. So like this one, I can't stamp again because I have heavy ink here on the bottom. So I'm just going to finish up another dark candy cane here at the bottom. And then we're going to do light ones. So we're going to stamp off, and then we stamp on. And just do that over and over until you have a random pattern that you're happy with. So I like something like this. Then you're going to choose a blue color. And I'm going to use Balmy Blue, which coordinates with my circle that's going to be in the kit. And we're going to be using the circle stamp that comes from that same stamp set. And we're doing the same thing. We're going to do light and dark circles. So do a stamp on and stamp off type technique. So again, if you only stamp part of the circle, then you need to re-ink and not use it. But if you stamp the whole thing, then you can stamp again to create a light circle, just like that. Okay, so just something like that in between and around the candy canes. The last thing we need to stamp is our greeting, and I'm going to use the greeting Joy, but you can use any of the other greetings that come in the stamp set. And I'm stamping this in the Cherry Cobbler, and I'm going to do it right in the center of this strip. And this strip will also be in the kit. So now that we have stamped all of our images, we're going to cut this tag. So you're going to find the center and cut up maybe about a 1/2 inch or so in the center at the bottom of the Blushing Bride piece. And this piece is 2 inches by 3.5 inches. And you just cut from the corner to the top of that slit, and it's going to create this nice fishtail look. We're going to do the same thing to our greeting. So just find the center on that strip, cut maybe 1/4 inch this time, and from the corner to the top. And that just mimics that look on these two different pieces so that they coordinate nicely together. So now we're going to add a little bit of ribbon to the top of our tag, and you have a piece of this glittered organdy ribbon, and it's 3 inches, and you're just going to lay that in the center of your tag at the top, and then grab a staple, and you're just going to lay it underneath the stapler and staple that down. So you get this really fun, quick and easy tag topper. And now we just get to layer these. So let's start with the Blushing Bride piece. Just add that right to the center of your card. It's okay if the ribbon comes off a little bit. You can shorten it by angling it if you want to. And then you can take the circle and you're going to lay it over the tag. It is being added with dimensionals, and you want it to be off-center just slightly on the left side. If you want to do any stamping on these two pieces or this piece, you're welcome to do that. I just kept them very basic and plain. Then you're going to add the rectangular postage stamp punch in Cherry Cobbler on top of that to the right side. And I forgot to mention that this balmy blue circle is about 2¼ inches. Then you take your strip with your greeting, and you're going to lay that right in the center of that postage stamp punch, just like that. It's got a really fun look with all those layered shapes. In your kit, you're also going to have these Pearl Basic jewels as an embellishment, and you can add 3 to your card, and they'll be random sizes. So just go ahead and take 1 and put it down near the greeting, and then choose 2 to put up at the top. And your card is all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching how I created this fun card using just the stamp sets from the November 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you're interested in getting this special perk that I give to just my subscribers, you are welcome to subscribe using the link below in the description. If you'd like to see written instructions or close-up images on how I created this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.